Hi, I'm Tanish Sharma. Today, I'm excited to present NexTrack, a blockchain-based supply chain tracking system built on the Electroneum blockchain. In today's global marketplace, supply chains lack transparency, making it difficult to verify product authenticity and track origins. This leads to counterfeiting, fraud, and lack of consumer trust. NexTrack solves this by leveraging the power of blockchain to create an immutable record of products as they move through the supply chain from manufacturer to consumer. Now let's take a look at the architecture behind NexTrack. At the core is a set of smart contracts deployed on the Electroneum mainnet. NexTrack.Sol is the heart of the system. It manages all product registrations, transfers, marketplace listings, and other transactions. Vault.Sol is an on-chain escrow contract securing USDT payments. Governance is handled by the governor, time lock, and governance token contracts, enabling DAO-based voting for onboarding new manufacturers. The Next.js frontend connects to these contracts via RPC, providing a seamless interface for users. Now let's move on to the application walkthrough. So this is the front-end made using Next.js, and this is the landing page for our application. So it showcases some basic stats and features. This takes us to the homepage for our dApp. And as a verified manufacturer, the first task would be to register a new product. So I'll quickly fill in these details. So here are the details for a product that needs to be filled in. So one thing to note about this image is that this is not stored on a centralized server. All product images are tagged on a decentralized IPFS node using Pinata. Here is the screenshot of my account. These are all product images. I'll register the batch. A transaction pop-up will come and I'll just confirm the transaction. So the batch has been successfully registered. So now if I go to the marketplace, I can see the jeans have been registered here. So one thing to note here is there are two sections, verified manufacturers and other sellers. So verified manufacturers are those that are part of the system, which are onboarded as verified manufacturers by the governance DAO. And other sellers include all the retailers, suppliers, distributors. So as a verified manufacturer, I can go to my listings. I can see all my listings here. I can also update the unit price here. I can also delist some items here. Let's say I want to delist this. I'll just click confirm and this will delist the item from the marketplace on a temporary basis. So now this is a buyer account and let's just say this is a supplier who wants to buy this product. He'll enter the quantity here. Now what this will do is it will approve the mock USDT spend for the vault contract. Now MUSDT is a mock USDT contract that I deployed on Electroneum mainnet that simulates a stablecoin. And the vault contract is our escrow account. So that contract acts as an escrow for our protocol. So once that is approved, we'll confirm this transaction. This will raise a purchase request to the seller. Now if I switch to the seller, I can see this is the request that I just raised. You can see the timestamp here. I can see the product details. So now as a seller, I'll approve this request. Confirm the transaction. So once this is approved, this is like dispatching a product to the buyer. Now once the buyer receives the product, he needs to confirm the receipt of this product. So the status will get set to awaiting buyer confirmation. So once the buyer actually receives the product, he'll just go to his orders. And here you can see that this was approved. And once he receives this, he can click confirm receipt and sign this transaction. And what this does is it moves the MUSDT, the mock USDT funds to the seller account from the vault. So this order was completed. Now I as the buyer, let's say I was a supplier and I want to list my products. So these are my listings. I can go to the marketplace. The verified manufacturer listings will be shown on this in this section, and all other sellers will be shown under this section. I can also manage my listings from this page. So another very important feature of the protocol is the governance DAO. The decentralized DAO allows manufacturer onboarding to NexTrack. Now how this works is you create a new proposal. So anyone in the world can come here, enter their address, they can enter the description and create the proposal. So once the proposal goes live, they can vote on the proposal. So here you can see the proposal history. Some of these proposals were defeated. However, this one was executed. So we can see the proposal details here. So how the voting works is every verified manufacturer gets minted one NXT token. NXT token is the governance token of the protocol. Each token gives you a voting right. Now every verified manufacturer is eligible to vote for a proposal for, against or abstain. If a proposal reaches 60% quorum, that is 60% votes are cast in favor of the proposal goes through and it is queued. Once queued, the time lock starts a 5-minute countdown, and once that countdown is done, we can execute the proposal and this manufacturer will be added to the system. For example, this proposal passed and someone queued it by calling the public queue function. Now the execute proposal function is enabled. So once we click this and confirm the transaction, this manufacturer will be onboarded to the system. Let's have a quick look at the features and the about pages. So with NexTrack, my aim is to bring transparency and trust to supply chains using blockchain technology. I'm very excited to showcase this at the Electroneum Hackathon 2025, and I eagerly look forward to your feedback. Thanks a lot for watching.